Standard 8, Practice Set 9.2. John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this, he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. So here we can see selling price of books as it is given 4,500. Do not forget to mention rupees. Rate of commission as it is given 15%. Now what does this symbol show? 15% means 15 and this percent is a symbol of 100. Percent means 100. So commission obtained. How we find out the commission? 15% into what is the selling price. जो भी selling price दिया हुआ है उस selling price में 15% commission उस agent को मिलेगा. Now here we will see the calculation. As you can see here there is 20 as well as in denominator there is 20. So the cancellation is very easy. So easily we can cut these two zeros. So now what we are left with? 15 into 45. So simply in rough column do 15 into 45. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 21, 22. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. So after adding 5, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6. So your answer is 675 rupees. So John obtained commission 675 rupees. Now we'll move to our second sums. So what does second sum says? Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by Rafiq. Similarly, as we did first sums, we will first write down all the small details. Selling price of flowers. So हमको selling price of flowers क्या दिया हुआ है? Rupees 15,000. Then rate क्या दिया हुआ है? 4%. So here comes commission rate 4%. So as we did previously, we will do again the same. 4%, that means 4 upon 100 into 15,000. Amount, the second question, amount received by Rafiq. Received by Rafiq. So how we will come to know amount received by Rafiq? So the total amount was rupees 15,000. Out of commission was rupees 600. So ये अमाउंट में से कमीशन निकल जाएगा तो रफ़ीक को कितना मिलेगा? इफ़ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस वी गेट 14,400. If you cannot do directly, simply do subtraction in your rough column. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6 is not possible. Borrow. 10 minus 6, 4, 4, 1. So, amount received by Rafiq is rupees 14,400. So, this is your answers. Now the third question. A farmer sold food grain for rupees 9,200 through an agent. The rate of commission was 2%. How much amount did the agent get? So here selling price of food grain rupees 9,200. Rate of commission which has been fixed 2%, जो पहले से तय किया गया है. Now, so how to find out commission? This 2%, 2% means 2 upon 100. This percent symbolize 100. So 2 upon 100 into 9,000. जो अमाउंट दिया हुआ होता है ना, उसी अमाउंट में हमको कमीशन निकालना रहता है. कमीशन परसेंट जो भी दिया हुआ रहता है. सो यहाँ दे हैव गिवन 2%. सो वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग दैट 2% विद दिस गिवन अमाउंट. अगेन एज वी कैन सी last two digit is 0 and 0. So simply multiplication 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So the commission is rupees 1,000. Sorry, the commission is rupees 184. So what further they have asked, how much amount did the agent get? So this was the only answer. The agent get a commission of rupees 1,184.